that our fight was with terrorists and their support infrastructure and not with Pakistan military.
India has released explosive details of terrorist training camps inside Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir. A total of 21 camps have been identified, and that's just the beginning. This is a fact based breakdown of what the DGMO revealed. No spin, no opinions. On April 22, 2025, terrorists struck Pahalgam in J&K, killing 25 Indians and one Nepalese national. In response, India launched Operation Sindoor.
Operation Sindoor was conceptualized with a clear military aim to punish the perpetrators and planners of terror and to destroy their terror infrastructure.
Let's start with the terror camps. These camps are run by groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed, where training, planning, and launching of attacks are actively carried out. There are 21 of them across Pakistan and POK. Now, 9 major terror camps were selected as targets after detailed study of their layout, terrain, and infrastructure. And these include Sawai Nala and Saidna Bilal in Muzaffarabad, Gulpur and Barnala in Kotli, and camps in Bhawalpur, Muridke, Sarjal, Mahmuda Joya. The Indian Army said at least 5 key operatives of Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed were among 100 terrorists killed in Indian strikes on terror camps in Pakistan and POK on May 7th, the first day of Operation Sindoor. And here comes the shocking part. When pictures and video of the funeral of killed terrorists surfaced, the funeral was held at the Lashkar camp in Muridke, attended by LET commander and designated global terrorist Abdur Rauf. But among those present in the funeral were also Pakistan Army's top generals and Punjab's police chief. Look at the picture on your screen. Those present included Lieutenant General Fayaz Hussain Shah, Major General Rao Imran Sartaj, Dr. Usman Anwar, and even a sitting member of the Punjab Provincial Assembly. Let's now look at the high-value terrorists India neutralized on May 7. Among those killed, Khalid alias Abu Akasha, arms smuggler and LET commander, Mudassir alias Abu Jundal, in charge of Muridke camp, Hafiz Jamil Ahmad, senior JEM leader and close aide to Masood Azhar, Mohammad Hassan Khan, connected to the 2019 Pulwama attack. And these men were not just foot soldiers, they were planners and recruiters. Meanwhile, in cross-border hostilities, Pakistan has damaged a Gurudwara and a madrasa in Poonch, but India's air defense is staying alert. Indian forces have intercepted and destroyed multiple Pakistani drones in Ramnagar, Naushera, Miran Sahib, and elsewhere. An armed drone was also taken down on May 10th. And there's more. Terrorist launch pads have been spotted in the Chenab River Island area and Qasim Dhok in Hajipir Bowl as recently as May 8th.
हमारी एयरफील्ड्स हर प्रकार से ऑपरेशनल हैं। यही नहीं, पाकिस्तान के ड्रोन्स और वेपनाइज्ड यूएवीज से की गई हमलावर कोशिशें भी इस ग्रिड के कारण नाकाम हुई और जो बचे कुचे ड्रोन्स थे उन्हें हमारे शोल्डर फायर्ड हथियारों से मार गिराया गया।
The message is loud and clear. India is watching and India is hitting back. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Indian Express for more updates on India-Pakistan. Thank you so much.